Welcome to my channel. So my name is Keymee K, and I am going to be doing another crochet hair tutorial. So starting out in your bag, they do give you the crochet needle, you do get rubber bands, and then you do get the accessories to go on the hair. So this is going to be the Bohemian 28" in the color T27, and this is how it looks. It's like a water wave kind of hair. It is going to be the braiding hair instead of the crochet. They do have the crochet that's already twisted and pre-looped for you. This one is going to be the braiding hair portion, and you're going to see why I'm using this hair. This hair is going to be from Toyotress. Thank you to them for sponsoring this video. They always have the best high quality hair. All of their crochets, braiding hair, everything is like top quality. So if you're looking for braiding hair or you want to do your hair something quick and easy, like I said, they have crochet, and then they do have the pre-stretched braiding hair, which I am using right now. So I am going to be doing the invisible crochet braiding pattern on my head. So as you can see, I do have the rubber bands. I do have 3 rows of rubber bands, and they are the box like squares. And then in the back, my hair just braided any kind of way. I really don't care about braiding the back any kind of way because you really can't see the back. So as you can see, this is going to be starting out per section. I do take the hair in each section. I guess you could say I'm alternating. So in between sections, I am just putting the hair in, almost like doing like a micro link, I guess you could say. I'm just putting the hair in and just letting it hang freely. And then on the opposite ends, I am doing the twist. So I do want to kind of have like a, is it the boho like kind of style? I guess it's just I don't know how you can explain it, but every other one I'm either just putting the hair in and not twisting it or braiding or anything, and then on the opposite end I am putting the hair in and I am twisting it in a twist. Once I get towards the top, I do notice like the twist and like the hair just hanging freely, they kind of look the same because of the like the size. So I do three hairs per twist. So I am grabbing 3 pieces, I guess, for the twist, and then just for the hair to hang freely, I'm just using 1 piece. And the hair does come separated, if you get what I'm saying. So I'm just gonna do that and keep alternating. I'll just alternate every other one. So if I put the hair in by itself, then the next piece I would do the twist, and I would do 3 pieces of hair. Keep in mind that this does get heavy on the head, and then it does like it's a lot of hair. So that is what I am going for. Do you see that? Like the first piece right there, that was the 3. This one right here, I had did the 2, and then the rest was 1. So I just kept doing the 3 instead of doing the 1. So that's what it looks like. Like I said, it kind of gives like a, I want to say it's the boho. Like it just looks very, very pretty in person, and it's not just all the same style. It's kind of, it's not uniform. It's very pretty. And then the ends I just left them all alone. So I did not twist the hair all the way down to the bottom. I stopped towards the ends and I just left it freely, just like this. Like I said, this hair, it is going to be full. So on this side, I'm just going to show you, like I said, about the twist. So once I get towards the end, all I do is just run my hands through the ends and just pull the hair. You don't have to put a rubber band or anything because it is going to hold. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish the side of my hair so that you can go ahead and see how full the hair looks. I think on the top, I want to say I did use 3 packs. And you see how full it looks on the front, and because of how I just put the hair in, because it's a mixture of twist and just regular, like kind of like this regular water wave hair. So this is what it looks like once it is completely done. Like I said, this hair is going to be full. It is going to be long. It is 28 inches. Keep in mind, that you are using synthetic hair. So because I have the hair like the water waves going, those are going to tangle up after a while if you do the same style. So make sure like whenever you're wearing this, you are like kind of doing like braids or something to protect your hair at night so it doesn't tangle. But this is going to be it for this hair. I think it is pretty and so full. So let's get into this giveaway, girl. So I am going to be doing a giveaway, and this is going to be the hair. It's going to be the Toyotress 28 inches and the braiding hair. So it is going to be regular braiding hair. It is the T27. So the color that I have in the twist is going to be the same color that you are going to get in the braiding hair. The braiding hair, you could do box braids. You could do whatever you want to with the braiding hair. And this is going to be in the giveaway. So how to enter: all you gotta do is comment your Instagram name in the comment section. That's it.